So ISIS, so you killed the Green Beret. You think that Green Beret is dead? You're wrong. He'll live forever in service of our Savior, Jesus Christ.
President Trump's executive order has simply restored sanity to America's immigration policy. We, as members of the People's House, must recognize that the American people are not willing to accept radical Islamic terror within our borders from immigrants or anyone else.
We're going to identify you, arrest you, and put you in a small cell. After that, I'm going to have a cheeseburger here with fries and a Coke and leave a nice tip for the waitress. Meanwhile, your next meal will be served through a small hole in a cell door. We've arrested 10 of these thugs and have warrants on 7 more. Every one of these animals is most definitely armed and dangerous. You will be hunted, you will be tracked, and if you raise your weapon to a man like me, we'll return fire with superior fire.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would die rather than sacrifice my principles.